this guy. Just did it Unique Specialty and Classics. 1962 Nash Metropolitan Convertible. 1.5 liter. A little inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front, headlight surrounds, grille. Of course, the Metropolitan grille ornament. Appears to be an aftermarket hood ornament. I'm sure you Nash experts out there can tell me about that, or maybe we have some hood ornament experts. Tell me a little bit about that hood ornament. Chrome's nice and bright on it. Paint shows well. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on some wide white walls, steel wheels, Metropolitan wheel covers. A couple little dingers over on the side of that door. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Interior has been reupholstered. Houndstooth fabric. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome on the rear bumper, looking good. This wasn't originally a black and white car, 908 and 914 in the paint code. You're going to be able to see that data tag and the still pictures, the body number, all that information. And with the still pics, if you're a Metropolitan fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get these in from time to time, have sold quite a few of them in the past. And you never know what you may see come through. Unique Classic Cars, videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles within those videos are available to purchase online, right off our showroom floor. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're gonna fire it up, let you hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. So, turn the key to the right here. Of course, you can have the pull start. We have a choke off to the left here. I think I got that set about the right spot. Give it just a little bit of choke. Fires right up. Make sure we're in neutral. I see the radio powers up. I have not gotten a station to come in, just so you're aware of that. Looks like it does power up. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front. We're going to pop this hood open, take a little peek at the engine bay, and then at the end of the video here, I will put the convertible top up so you're able to see the condition of that also. I believe it was a white convertible top. We'll get it up here shortly. Looks like we have some marker lights on there. Switch was on when I turned the key on, so let's go ahead and check out that engine bay. And here we go, the hood popped. There it is, 1.5 liter, single carb, intake and exhaust manifold over here. Let's go ahead and get that convertible top up. Of course, a manual top. So I'm going to fold it up, check out the condition, and like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So the top is up. It's a manual top. Like I said, folds up, one person easy enough. Then there's just two latches above or below the windshield in this case. But nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass rolled up, so you can check that out also. It is vinyl, so white vinyl top. Snaps in the back nicely. Rear window nice and clear. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or a brief shower, not a problem. It's going to serve the purpose just fine. Side glass rolled up on the passenger side. And again, around to the front. '62 Nash Metropolitan Convertible. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Nash Metropolitan. One of the tiny little awesome cars that looks like a lot of other 50 cars if you shrunk them down a little bit. Great styling. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. We have an added hood ornament that does look great on this car. This is a convertible and we do have the top up today. Steering wheel by Lacara. Speedometer does appear to be working. The temperature is reading 192 over here. A little bit of wind noise. Put the window down a little bit, a little less wind noise. Nice, smooth running little car. You get the choke when you first start it, get it running good. And then you can let the choke off and it idles and runs nicely. Houndstooth design on the seat covers. Appear to be original style seats. Bench seat. I am in third gear taking it easy on this sunny summer day. Windshield wipers do function on this Metropolitan. Up here we have an ashtray. Go down to second gear for the roundabout. Brakes are working well. Corners like a 50s small car should. 50s and 60s, they ran these through a little bit into the 60s. This being a 62. Very nice condition Metropolitan. Make sure to look at all the pictures and learn about all the details of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.